In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can quickly generate an ERD diagram for your database in MySQL using Workbench. So in Workbench, you're going to select database from the menu. So you're going to select database, select reverse engineer, choose a connection to connect to your server, then select next to continue, and then select the schema that you want to generate the ERD for. In my case, I just have a demo database with 2 tables. Then select next to continue, then select next to continue, and then select finish. So here I have my ERD diagram generated with only 2 tables, which is in my database, right? Now, if you have multiple tables and primary keys and foreign keys, you'll see them interconnecting. Now to save this file, select file, and then you can choose export as PNG, SVG, or a single PDF, right? I am created a single page PostScript file, and that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.